Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 KTM RC 390. This lightweight sport bike just arrived with only 9,500 miles. Super cool single cylinder 390 with orange wheels, factory orange and black paint scheme. Come on by and make your lightweight European sport bike dreams come true for just $49.99. This bike is in beautiful condition, fuel injected, liquid cooled, 6-speed transmission. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.